All right, you mentioned some of the major averages. Let's take here a look at some of those major averages for the Dow Jones Industrial Average right now. Still flat, just barely to the downside, about 31 minutes into trade here on this Monday as we kick off a new trading week. The NASDAQ composite, though, you mentioned that that's barely in positive territory, and that's exactly where we find ourselves right now, up just about 7-ish points there. So we'll see if we can hold on to that and perhaps build on some of that move higher most recently here this morning in that slight candlestick higher. And then additionally, just checking in on the S&P 500, you're also seeing that right now in negative territory. So mixed right now and hyper oscillating for some of the major averages, but for the S&P 500 down by about 0.1%. Want to take a look at the heat map here real quick to see exactly where we've got some of the biggest movement taking place here today. I've been keeping an eye on some of the semiconductors here. You're seeing Nvidia having a decent day thus far. It's up by about 1%. Also AMD up by about 0.5%. But then additionally, as we start to get into some of the other big tech names here, you're seeing even a name like Tesla here on the day. TSLA, that is up by about 2%. Some of the other major movers shouting out Moderna here as we keep a close eye on that. Shares popping there by about 4% on today's activity. And then additionally here, let's also just take a look at Gilead as well, rounding out some of the broader biotech space. You're seeing that up by about 2.7%. So keep a close eye on some of those names as we move on throughout the rest of today's trading activity. You could see them trending on the Yahoo Finance platform as well online.